This is really the worst. Our cultural festivals program is grilled squid or something. The smell of sauce is strong. Our class t-shirt isn't cute either. I can't bring up my motivation. Well, it looks like Mizuki is also putting in some motivation into it. I guess I'll also participate properly this time. Speaking of which, wasn't Mizuki's class doing something that seemed interesting? I know. Since I'm here, I'll go take a look. Mizuki will probably be surprised. Crap. He started talking to me. Hello. Well, more or less I did, but... I can't get up. But that's... Something like that. Mizuki?